What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Alright, let's turn this right about there. Alright, guys. What's going on, everybody? It's Nora the Stock Explorer. We're going to do Power Hour. Let me turn my mic up a little bit so you guys can hear me a little bit better. I hope that is good for everybody. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's making some tendies out there today. Let's take a look at Webull. If you like Webull, check out my link after the live stream. I will provide a link. You can get 2 free stocks, and you can get a couple $100 worth of stocks if you're one of the lucky ones. Check that link out and you can get started absolutely for free. I like to say thanks to everybody that's been hopping on with me on the live streams. Much appreciated, guys. It helps out a ton with the channel. How's everybody doing? What's everybody trading today, guys? I tell you what, I'm kind of betting against SPY. It's looking a little overextended to me today. I don't know if she can keep going up past 435, guys. I think it's going to have a little breakdown at some point. So I made a nice little SPY put against the SPY, and hopefully I'm right. That expires next week, so I have a few days for that to all play out. Guys, what a day for Shiba Inu. Have you been checking it out? My friend Leroy gave me a heads up on the SHIB. It was having a run, and I got in and made myself $20 so far already. Quick little trade on the Shiba Inu token, which you can get on Webull. Check it out, guys. You can get that on Webull. Also, we have Dogecoin. Over 26 cents, guys. Give it up for Dogecoin. You gotta love it. I've been holding this for a hot minute. Hey, Mystic Budgets, what's up? Hey, boo! What's up, Mystic Budgets? We got Mystic Budgets on the channel. Check her out in the chat. Go ahead over to her channel and give her a subscribe. If you want some budgeting tips, and she shares everything she's doing over there, and she's got the whole setup. If you guys want to learn how to do some budgeting, check out her channel. Mystic Budgets, thank you, appreciate it. Oh, there goes the SPY. She's breaking down. We got a red candle busting down. Look at that. Let's have a better look at this, guys. Let's have a little better look at what we got going on. And before I get too far, guys, check out my link for Capitalist Academy. I'll provide it as soon as the live stream is over. You will get your first free month absolutely free with your code DISCIPLINE. A lot of things are changing in the academy. They're adding to it, improving it every single day, guys. So I may not always have a coupon code. So if you would like to take advantage of it, I would highly recommend you guys do it now, because there may be some changes in the works. Changes for the better. However, my coupon code may change. So go ahead and take advantage of that while it's going on. It's in the link in the description of all my videos, and I'll post it as soon as this video is over, so you can check that out. So what's going on? We had the big Facebook outage last night, guys. I don't think they said why exactly. They have someone testifying today. There's a lot of stuff coming out. I don't know how I feel, but honestly, I don't spend a whole lot of time on Facebook. Actually, I know how I feel. I think they can absolutely do better. You can't turn a blind eye to evil, guys. You just can't. Not for a monetary gain. So Facebook has some reconciling to do, and they know exactly what they need to do. And guys, don't think for 1 second that somebody else won't come up with a bigger, better version of social media that is just like Facebook, and there could be a mass exodus, guys. You just never know. would have, you know what I'm saying? So they do take it for granted that everybody kind of gravitates towards it, but I think moving into the future, and virtual reality and everything, there may be another platform that gets developed out there. So I honestly, I don't have nothing for them, one way or another. That's up to them. I'm not on it that much, guys, and that's how I feel about that. I think I have one share of Facebook, and I'm not going to be adding to that position because I think it could end up getting volatile, personally. I think that could just end up going either way, guys. But Dogecoin, yeah, all day long, Dogecoin. It already was up over 26 cents, guys. Woo, what a run. This is probably the best bang for your buck this week was Dogecoin, and she's not finished yet. She's up 30% on the week. Mystic Budgets, let me know if you can hear me. Good. And if you can hear a little bit of the music, I want to know if I have that balanced out okay for you guys. Mystic Budgets is saying, yeah, it was super strange yesterday without Instagram. I don't use Facebook much, but when Instagram shut down, I was like, what? Yeah, I really like Instagram. It's kind of neutral. You're just kind of putting your pictures up. Hey Brandon, what's going on? Brandon, my friend Brandon Jackson is in the house. Head over to his channel and check him out. Yeah, I'm back from, I had class this morning. We did a big test review, and I got a big test tomorrow, and I think we're all going to do good. Feeling good about that. Feeling pretty good about that. So, I think I wanted to come on here and just chat with you guys about the stock market. Mystic Budgets is saying, yep, you got the jams on as usual. Okay, very cool. Those jams are from a channel called Thrive Together. If you're not familiar, it's right here. I will show you in a second. They have 100% copyright-free music that you can use. Just give him a big shout out and put a link in your description if you decide to use it. You can go ahead and use that. And this runs 24/7, guys. So if you ever want to jam out, the channel is called Thrive Together. I'll scroll up so you can see it. There it is right there, Thrive Together. Head over there and give them a subscribe and go ahead and check it out. It's pretty funky if you're, like you're in the house and you're doing chores or you're cooking or whatever. You can throw this on and just like, maybe you can even do a little home workout. Hey! But yeah, I was right. Look, Spy's taking a faderoni. Look at that. Spy's fading out as we close out the day. We got some red candles in a row here. If you guys don't know how to read candlestick charts, that'll be another course that you can get yourself enrolled in with the Capitalist Academy. They have a course on candlesticks. Of course, red means it's going down and green means it's heading back up. But there's a lot of patterns within these charts that you can start to recognize once you get more familiar. At first it seems confusing, but once you start to learn it, it becomes a lot more clear, especially when you back out. When you back out on, like, say, let's look at this on the monthly time frame. You can get a much better overview of what's going on. And holy smoke, SPY is on quite a bull run. Look at that. Straight up. So, yeah, I think it's due. I think it's due for a slight correction, which this is a slight correction right here. And I think we're definitely due for one right about here. But this is not stock market advice, guys. This is just my personal opinion. I'm a student of the stock market. I'm just a student, but I'm really excited to see how some of these stocks are doing. I don't want to talk too much about Facebook. They kind of have me pretty disappointed, to be honest. But on the day it's at 334. lot of people bet against it, but it doesn't seem like it's going in that direction, or at least not yet. That's why you always have to watch when you bet for or against a stock based on news. It doesn't always go the way you think it may go, even though it's like a lot of bad news coming out. As you can see, they're up 2.3%. So that's a perfect example of how the news doesn't always, the news will not always correlate with the stock price or the momentum of a stock. Brandon, what link are you dropping there? Oh, is that your channel link? Is that your channel link? Okay, cool. I did not use StreamYard because I did not feel like, first of all, I wanted to show my screen on a positive note because I think it's good. Instead of looking at me, you can look at the screen and look at some of the stocks that I'm looking at. And I just didn't want to deal with the trolls today. I didn't want to deal with that. Let's see what else. So, big shout out to Peter DiCarlo. Check out his channel, and also Traders Helping Traders. Check out that channel. I'm always participating over in, they got a new free Discord if you want to go ahead and check that out. Head over there. There's almost, I believe there's just about 500 members now. It's only 2 weeks old and they got 500 members. They're smashing it, guys. They're killing it over there. So definitely head over there and check him out. Want to give him a big shout out. Let's see. Another stock a lot of people are watching is Palantir. Let's check that out. PLTR. It's kind of been heading down this week. Down 9.3% on the week. Let's pull up some Palantir right here. I loved it at 25, so I definitely love it anything less than 25. This is definitely in what I would call the buy zone. I can't give you an exact price. And we were speaking about this in the academy. Can't give you an exact price. However, is it in a buy zone? Absolutely. Absolutely. Anything under 25, between 22 and I would say to 25, that's a buy zone. Okay, that's definitely in the buy zone for me. Again, my personal opinion, and I have a position in Palantir, so I should tell you that as well. I'm a bit biased. I really believe in this company. However, I don't think it's going to go too much lower than that. Some more good news. You can join in with the Tesla annual meeting question and answer session. You can submit your questions by October 7th, and you can go ahead and participate in that. So that's pretty cool for all you Tesla bulls out there. They will ask you a series of questions, and then you can go ahead and they will send you a link to participate in the Q&A session. So that's pretty awesome. Where do I go again to learn about the candlesticks? Okay, so for that you would have to join the Capitalist Academy. You can use my code DISCIPLINE to get your first free month. It's in all the video descriptions of my videos. Other than that, you can go on YouTube and you can go ahead and search that candlestick course in YouTube. But there are various different people teaching it, and not everybody may or may not, be qualified to teach it. So I don't want to refer you to someone bad. I would wait, and when Pete drops his candlestick course, I will let you know, Mystic Budgets, and I will direct you in the right direction and because that's going to be free, but he is working on it as we speak right now. But you can always learn some of the basics out there. There's a lot of resources out there, and if you join his Discord for free, there's a lot of resources in the free resource channel over there on his Discord, so that'll get you going. Brandon's saying soon, as I have finished my dinner, I will sort out a stream after this one. Oh, I'm only doing one live stream, Brandon. I don't have the energy for two. I got a big test coming up tomorrow, and I can't do two live streams. I would love to, but I can't do two live streams. But I'll be happy to tune in and watch you do yours over on your channel. You're welcome. Anytime you want to ask me anything, I will try to give you refer you to a good resource, and he's a trusted source in my book. That's why I promote that. Thanks guys for tuning in. So Tesla is on a nice little run. It is, at the moment, Tesla is sitting at 782. It's up and down, but I think by the end of the year, Tesla will definitely be at very close to 900. I think this is a winner chicken dinner, guys. Look at that bull flag on the month. She's getting ready to go up to the next level. I have no doubt, and if it doesn't, you just hold it until it does, because it's inevitable, guys. Tesla is going to be way over $1,000 sometime next year, and then beyond that, you're probably not even going to believe it. A lot of people think that it may not double again. I think it absolutely can, and beyond that. I really do. Any stock tickers you guys want me to have a look at? Let's look at NEO. A lot of people were in NEO. Wow, NEO is at 33.93. Wow. I'd say that is in what I would call the buy zone right now as well. That is definitely in a buy zone. If you are long term, which means, are you going to hold it 3 to 5 years? Yeah, I think you'd be okay grabbing NEO at this price. I really do. I mean, nobody thought it was going to dip much below 40, and now look, goodness guys, we're in the low 30s now. This is a shopping spree right now. If you're a NEO bull, I could see it having plenty of room to run in the future. Robinhood's holding its own too. Robinhood's at $41.99, up 2.5%. Robinhood just announced they have customer service, and I may do a separate video on that, guys. This is a first. Usually you had to fill out a form and wait for them to get back to you. Now you can actually talk to somebody from Robinhood on the phone, which has been much needed for quite some time, and it's been one of their main complaints people have had about Robinhood is that they don't have live customer support. If you're putting a lot of your money in a broker, you want to be able to call somebody on the telephone and actually talk to somebody. Especially when you're in panic mode, you might make a trade and you don't understand what you're looking at, and maybe it's something that's not looking right, and maybe you don't think your money's adding up right. You want to talk to somebody. So yeah, they're starting to release that, and of course, you know, they continue to add different cryptos in their crypto space. So yeah, I think Robinhood will be kind of unstoppable, especially once they the wallet starts to get implemented. As much as you may hate them, I think they're still gonna do well, because at the core of it, it always ends up being a user-friendly go-to platform, and it's done well today. Let's have a look back at SPY. SPY is going to tell you about the overall S&P 500. It is up on the day, but there's that big red candle there. I don't know. I swore it was going to start breaking down Let's have a look. Usually this time of the day, sometimes it takes a U-turn. So we will watch that. That is on the month. Let's go back on the 1 minute so we can have a watch. And I'm loving seeing Dogecoin over 25 cents. Shout out to the Dogecoin millionaire. Anytime it goes over 25 cents, he is a millionaire again. So real happy for him. I really love his approach to money. So I'm a fan. So it's not just because he likes Dogecoin and I like Dogecoin. I really like his frugal mentality and how he approaches his management of money. If you haven't watched some of his videos, go ahead and check him out, Dogecoin Millionaire, on YouTube, and give him a subscribe. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Check out Commander Vlogs too. I'm not sure if he's able to pop in on my live. He does quite a few of his own live streams. So I want to give him a shout out. Got Charlene Hill here. Thank you, Charlene. Hey y'all, what's happening? Charlene's in the house. Check her out. Charlene's got a lot of videos over on her channel to help you with your mindset on healing. If you have been a victim of abuse or you just need some encouragement, it's a great channel to go over and check out. Did you know that the music you're playing is actually from a video game called Fuser for Xbox? I didn't know that. I'm surprised his channel hasn't gotten a copyright for the music you're playing. Evidently, I'm sure he's done his homework, and this channel is owned by TuberChat, and I'm sure he's done his homework as far as whether he can stream it or not. I'm trusting that he did. I haven't gotten any copyright strikes. This will probably be the third video I've done utilizing his music, so I don't think it's a problem, but that's good to know where it came from. That's so funny. Last time people talked about that game was a year. That's funny. I would never know where that was from, but it's pretty funky. I'm going to check that out. That is so funny. He's using it to build up a new channel, so more power to him. More power to him. Wow, Neo looks like it's doing a inverse cup and handle. I don't know. This is not a great pattern right here. This is usually a bearish pattern. I don't know. You may want to hold off on Neo a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna. I mean, I don't think it's gonna go back into the 20s. I really can't see that happening. So sometimes you don't want to wait too long, or you never end up getting in something. Sometimes, and there goes Spy again. So yeah, guys, I had a good day. I had a couple singles. I took a call option on Vimeo, which was called out by the Private Academy, Capitalist Academy, Private Academy, posted that big money flow on Vimeo. I made a quick $20 on that. I'm just hitting singles, guys. Knocking them out of the park because they add up. Those singles add up. $20 here, 25 there, 30 here, 50 there. At the end of the month, that's a nice little stack of gains. Lots of stocks out here at great prices. Another one I like is Rocket Companies. It may start to get more and more attention as money cycles back into these high growth small cap companies RKT. Let's check out Rocket. Rocket did good today. Rocket's up 1.38%. This is a steal, guys. Talk about a stock on sale. This is a great price. And another, great price is Palantir. Here's two stocks right here I highly recommend that are absolutely in the buy zone. Another one I love is Crispr. Crispr's been in a slump, and I don't know why, because Crispr is an amazing stock for a long term. Let's check that out. Crispr Therapeutics, they do gene editing. They edit your DNA to cure diseases, and they work with many different companies. Now, Editas was developing something using the CRISPR technology, and it did not get the results they had planned on. However, CRISPR has had many victories as far as curing diseases and different things with the gene therapy. You definitely don't want to get caught up on short-term news. If you're long-term and you like biotech, CRISPR should definitely be on your list. It should be in your portfolio. I can really confidently say that, especially at this price, 102.86. Holy smokers, guys. That's an absolute flash sale on CRISPR. And if you're not familiar with it, go ahead on their website and watch some of their videos. It's absolutely fascinating what they do. I geek out on it, and if you want to learn about it, I did a video on it. Just scroll through my video list, and I did do a video on CRISPR, so you can go ahead and learn about that. So, yeah, I hope you guys had a great day, and I'll be making a video pretty soon. I'm going to start featuring some different companies, not just doing live streams, but I want to put some technical analysis and some fundamental analysis out on some great companies that I'd like to talk about. So yeah, keep an eye out for those, guys. I really appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this with your friends. And then later check out my links for the Academy and for Webull. You can get 2 free stocks for signing up, guys. Hope you guys have a great evening, and as you know, I will see you very soon.